from the Philippines.
Ha? Translate. Ikaw mag-translate. Hi, Fanatic. Congratulations. I think everybody wants to know the answer to this. So, what was going through your mind, especially for Keller and King Kong, during that last clash when it was just the two of you left and you were cracking the base? Tagalog nyo na. Sige, Tagalog nyo na. Saka kasi parang nag-hesitate ka rin, Kelya. Nung konti na lang parang matas ka eh.
Hindi talaga ako nag-hesitate doon, Kumbaga, sinugal ko na lang yung play na gano'n na tinanong ko rin sila. Ay, tinanong ko ba yun? Hindi, sabi ko lang pala, nung una, nung habang nag-team fight, tatapusin ko. Tapos, hindi ako nag-hesitate nun na tapusin yung throne. Sadyang nawalan lang ng grips, tapos nung nakita ko may grips ulit, dun bumalik ako. Kaya para tapusin.
Translate bago si King Kong. So what Kelra said was, during that last clash, he really didn't hesitate. So he told his teammates that he would end the game. He just backed off when there were no more minions, but there was a minion wave at the bottom. So he just waited for that to finish the game. King Kong.
King Kong. Pero patay ka lang.
Nararamdaman wala naman kalmado pa rin nun. Kumbaga parang lang. Sumunod na lang din ako sa call ni Keller nun na kumbaga sinuportahan ko yung call niya na kaya tapusin ganun. Kaya umalalay ako sa kanya.
So for King Kong, he just supported Kelra's call to finish the game, so he followed going back to the base. Technical pause. Wait lang.
Next question, please.
Maisip yung akin, hindi ko nga na-record eh.
Kelra, question from MPL PH Press Corps from our messenger group. Now that you have won the missing, title from all of your achievements, basically winning the M series, and also you being declared as the Grand Finals MVP, do you finally accept that you are the gold standard?
Ma-accept ko lang gold standard pag nanalo pa kami next year ulit. Pag na-farm namin next year.
I will only accept the moniker or like the label if we win next year again.
Ano ba dapat?
To Coach. Coach, did you expect the run because from start to finish parang tournament sweep yung naging nangyari? And yun nga, given na medyo relatively new yung mga players mo sa world stage, did you expect such kind of run from the team?
To be honest, not really. But what I do expect from my players is, the trust and just executing what we do every single day. So I'm just really quite, happy that they push through every single day. As for the results, you kind of think about it every day because you see the potential of the players as each day passes. But, I really just don't want to claim something in the future. It was more of, us staying in the moment each and every day. But with the capabilities that they have, I just keep it to myself. And the answer is yes. I expected this from them. They're just, really good, very gifted. But hopefully this doesn't get to their heads. Because right after, I actually thought about our next tournament. And yeah, again, next year. Because this ain't the end.
Maybe to the players, have you thought of the M series skin na kukunin nyo or pipiliin nyo after this victory?
Maybe. Mungkin apa ya? Kata mereka Luyi, mau Luyi. Ay, Tagal ba yun? Ay, sabi niya ano? He wants Louie. Or Beatrix or Joy. Louie, Beatrix or Joy. Sa akin, gusto ko Khalid.
Yung isa gusto edit.
Sigatot, yellow.
Hindi, gusto niya.
Sino?
Just one more to Coach. Coach, most of the spotlight, syempre nasa players, pero can you just highlight the impact of Hayes as, as part of the coaching staff, and especially this is Hayes' title first title as a coach rin, so.
Initially kasi isa sa mga pinakamagandang lesson na naturo ni Hayes dito sa mga player na to is yung wave ng players na lumabas after as in nung season 1 ng MPL Philippines, wherein champion sila as either, pero walang hard work pagkatapos Wala Kumaga, isa yun sa mga bagay na naparealize ni Hayes sa mga players na kung gusto nyo maging consistent, araw-araw nyo pagtrabahuin. It's something that wasn't said, to be honest. Yung mere presence lang ni Hayes. And to be honest, si Hayes, mas serious yan sa akin pagdating sa bootcamp Mas kengkoy pa ako dyan to be honest, nung ka-message ko siya, ini-invite ko siya to join the team, ang sabi ko sa kanya, tara na, mag-analyst ka na. Mag-player. Sabi ko sa kanya, enjoyin lang natin to. Sabi niya, Coach, wala akong balak, enjoyin lang. Magja-champion tayo.
So just to translate, towards the end na lang. Towards the end. So, Coach Wynot mentioned that Hayes is a very serious both player and an analyst. And when Coach Wynot was actually encouraging Hayes to join ONIC, he actually said, I'm not cutting you as a player, I'm cutting you as an analyst. And Hayes said, Coach Wynot said that let's just enjoy this. And Hayes said, I don't just want to enjoy it, I want to be a champion. So, Hayes, any reaction to that? Just any reaction to what Coach Wynot said?
Yay. Wala, okay. Wala lang. Okay lang. Yun lang, reaction ko, yay. Masaya.
Hi guys, James Sias at Daily Tribune. First of all, team, congratulations. I think marami sa amin talaga predicted na mananalo kayo dito. Personally, I thought you were going to win 4-1. Nangyari nga 4-1. My first question is, alam nyo yung kalaban nyo, Team Liquid ID, ito hindi to basta-bastang team Yung dalawang kilalang player doon, 2 key players nila, si Fabian, tsaka yung Aaron Shiki, na lagi pinag-uusapan. Mga halimaw yun In fact, pinakita nila kung gaano sila kagaling noong tinalo nila SRG. Pero every time na kayo ang katapat nila, nawawala yung pagiging halimaw nila. So, ang tanong ko both kay King Kong tsaka kay Kelra, siguro kay Kelra muna. Paano nyo, I won't say that they look average because these guys are world-class players, pero paano nyo nagagawa na talunin sila every game consistently, yung mga ganong kagaling na player? No, I will translate the question para dire-diretso yung pagsagot nila. Sige, kahit sino yung mauna. Sige. Paano nyo nagagawang talunin yung mga galing na players? Kasi halimaw yung Fabian tsaka Aaron Shiki, di ba? Pinakita nila against SRG na magagaling talaga sila na players. Pero pagdating sa inyo, I think nung knockout stage, 3-4 levels yung gap mo kay Fabian. Paano mo ginagawa yun as a player?
Halimaw naman talaga sila. Siguro mas halimaw lang ako kay Fabian.
Pero paano mo ginagawa yun? Like sa jungle, like technically speaking, paano?
Tingin ko hindi dahil sa akin yun, sa mga ginagawa ng kakampi ko, lalo na sa mid. Yan. Kaya lagi akong nakakalamang sa mga jungle na katapat ko.
Okay.
Siguro na outsmart lang namin sila pero
Outsmart.
outsmart.
Okay.
Siguro pero hindi lang naman kasi dalawa yung player. Kumbaga 5 kami. Kumbaga as a team kaming tinatalo sila. Hindi kami dalawa.
Okay. So for our international media friends, the question was, Team Liquid ID is a world-class team, especially when you look at players like Fabian and Aaron Shiki, who proved that they are great players in the lower bracket finals against SRG. The question was, how do they manage to beat them every time they have a match? King Kong said, even though Fabian is a monster, he is the bigger monster. He's the better monster. And he also attributes those wins to his teammates, and same as Kelra. He said that it's not a 1v1 game, but rather it was a team effort. That's why they always come up on top against those two key players. Next question. Props to, of course, to you guys for winning. Pero sinabi din ng Team Liquid ID na deserve nyo talagang manalo and deserve nyo mag-world champion. Your reaction to that, the entire team. Thank you.
They already said that we deserved the win,
Yes.
I think. I think it's because of the bond that they did create. I mean, people on the outside think that they are rivals and everything. Yes, indeed, they are, but the level of respect that these players have with TLID is very high. I do see them on a daily basis, even before the MPLPH was running. They constantly, message each other, kind of like, teaching each other. And I'm really grateful that it was them that we fought in the end. But I'm looking forward to a different matchup, to be honest.
Okay. To our international media friends, I just asked for a reaction from for what Team Liquid Indonesia said that Fnatic Onic PH deserved to win. Reaction.
Para sa akin, hindi ko lang expect na parang ganun sila, para sa akin lang yung galaw nila. Parang every time na, nanonood kami sa kanila, tapos mga kalaban namin sila, parang parang iba sila gumalaw Ewan ko rin kung bakit. Kaya, ayun. Ewan ko siguro, kung ba't sila ganun gumalaw. Parang, lang ako, na parang hindi nila, yung best nila.
So Bruce said Team Liquid does not play the way they do play against other team, and when going up against their team, it's somehow different. Reaction do sa sinabi na deserve nyo daw manalo.
Siguro thank you na lang. Thank you daw, sabi ni Coach Connie. Ayun lang reaction ko. Ayun lang.
That's it. Kelra said thank you. How about you, Kirk? Any reaction na you deserve to win?
Wala Thank you na lang rin. Ano masasabi mo sa expect daw ng Team Liquid na tayo
Deserve manalo ng team nyo.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you po.
Okay. So it's thank you from Kelra to Spider-Man.
Last question.
Last question? Okay. Hello, my name is Billy, reporting for Liga Game. Maybe this question is for Mr. Yap. Bahasa Indo boleh? Ya. Coach Yap. Kebalik. Okay, of course, congratulations for the success of Fnatic Onic PH. But as an organization, maybe you've had complete all the tasks, right? You got MSG, M Series, but Onic is not only in PH. We have Onic ID. So in the future, what's the plan? Is it gonna continue to dominate with Onic PH, and how to revive Onic ID so you can both? Yeah, maybe next year we see Onic versus Onic together. So what's the plan?
Actually, that's the plan. As you've said, we're planning to um, make make that happen. That Onyx Indonesia and Onyx Philippines in grand finals in all international tournaments. So yeah, let's see next year.
So next year nobody lose, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Hello. Last question is, do you guys have any thoughts on your maybe one skin you want to pick for the team and for Calera? Thank you.
Finals MVP skin and as a team, M6 champions.
For finals MVP, I think Beatrix. Ay, ang skin daw, uy. Ano na? Oy. Ano daw? Louie? Louie? Akay coach?
Suntukan.
Ano? Louie? Louie na? Joy.
So for the M6 champion skin, it's Joy. For the finals MVP skin, it's Beatrix. But not yet sure, according to coach. Why not?
Let's not put any words into stone at this moment. We might be reprimanded.
Okay, I guess we can. Hold on.
Okay.
Let's take a photo of the team first holding the trophy and their medals. Guys, please stand and hold your trophy.
Trophy,